What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today I'm going to give you guys my top 3 favorite FPV cameras of 2020. So no matter what, if you are a freestyler, if you are like a racer, or if you like to fly maybe, during the day, at night, all times, maybe during a cloudy day or a rainy day, I got a camera for you. So let's go ahead and start off with the first camera on my list, and that is for, if you're specifically a racer, the Runcam Racer 3. That is an excellent low latency camera. It does have some actually really good night performance, as you can see here, but it really does shine during the day. But it does have some really good, so if you have a mix of a racetrack that's like outside or inside, I think the Racer 3 would really shine there. So now let's move on to the best freestyle camera of my choice, and that is going to be the Runcam Phoenix 2. I do like a little bit of oversaturation in my image quality, but that is a personal preference. And but I do like how it does have some really nice contrasts, and really how it balances the, like the dark spots, the shadows, and also the light spots. I really just dig this camera, and it does actually have some pretty good night performance as well. Not as good as like a I guess a camera specifically built for nighttime, because I'm gonna be getting that to a second, because my third camera that I'm really digging is the foxeer Cat 2. That is actually actually surprised me. I thought it was gonna have, like I said, really good night performance, because it really does have really good night performance. It's probably the best camera of the bunch, but also it had really awesome image quality during the day. I was really impressed, especially how it handled pretty much all. This is really just an all-weather camera, so you don't have to specifically say the Cat 2 is for nighttime flying only. If you're a freestyler and you want to experiment with flying at night, and you got to kind of do all that type of stuff, maybe the Cat 2 is something for you. And if you're racing and the track is going to be at night, you might actually even want maybe to transition over to a Cat 2. The Racer 3 does have some really good characteristics as well during the day that I just think beats it out a little bit, opposed to the Cat 2 as a racing camera. But this is my list for the top 3 cameras for FPV in 2020. I appreciate you guys watching, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and I will be leaving a link to all 3 of these cameras down below if you wanted to check these out. But this is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.